Today I want to show you something that's easy to do but can be kind of annoying if you're running into this issue. Let's assume that you have some hyperlinks that for whatever reason are in your Excel spreadsheet and you don't want them there. Let's say, like every time you actually click on something, it'll just, take you to Google or whatever that site may be. There's an easy way to do that. You can click on the Home tab here. You can go to Clear and you just go down and you can hit Remove Hyperlink. So now that cell will no longer have a hyperlink. That'll work with any of the cells that do have a hyperlink. Another shortcut you can do to get there is if you do Alt, H, E, and then R, it's going to do the same thing. So if you can get that memorized, save yourself some clicking, and remember to like and subscribe to the Excel Guy. Thanks and have a great day.